Just got your new drone? Relax, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set it up correctly, fly it safely, and capture smooth, cinematic footage. Let's start from the box. Inside the box, you'll find the drone, the remote controller, charging accessories, a flight battery, and the user manuals. Before moving forward, take a moment to carefully inspect each item. Make sure everything is present and free from damage. If anything is missing or broken, contact customer support immediately. Charging time follows the recommended duration, but real-world flight time may vary based on weather and flying style. Always allow batteries to cool down before recharging. Avoid overcharging and store batteries at the recommended voltage when not in use. Proper battery care ensures longer lifespan and safer flights. First time setup. First, insert the battery into the drone, making sure the pins are aligned correctly, and press until it clicks into place. Next, carefully remove the protective cap from the camera gimbal. Now take the remote controller. Pull out the mobile holding tray and remove the control sticks from their storage slots. Attach the control sticks onto the controller holders and tighten them securely. Place your smartphone into the holder, adjust it for a firm grip, and connect the cable to both the remote controller and your phone. Download the IZI Air app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to bind the drone, controller, and app together. To achieve smooth, cinematic visuals, choose the right resolution and frame rate. You can record in 4K at 60 FPS, 4K at 30 FPS, or 1080p, depending on your needs. Enable HDR 2.0 for high contrast scenes, and switch to Lunavision mode when shooting in low light conditions. For the best image quality, keep ISO as low as possible and adjust exposure manually to maintain consistent lighting. Now it's time to fly, but keep it simple. Use the one-tap takeoff button for a smooth and controlled liftoff. Allow the drone to hover for a few seconds so it can stabilize itself. Begin practicing basic movements: forward, backward, left, right, and slow rotations. When you're ready to land, use the landing button for a safe descent. The Return to Home feature automatically brings the drone back when needed, and in emergencies, the motor stop function can instantly cut power. Explore powerful, intelligent flight modes at the tap of a button. Activate blockbuster mode for dramatic cinematic shots. Use Droney to automatically fly back and upward while keeping you in frame. Switch to Vision Surround for dynamic 360-degree motion capture. Tap Head Up and Fly Forward for smooth directional tracking. Choose Asymptomatic Orbit to circle your subject with precision. Select Fly to Sky for a vertical rise reveal shot. Enable Flat Beat Descend for a smooth, controlled landing sequence. And anytime, press Back to Origin to safely return home. Active Track keeps your subject locked in. Select your target, maintain 5 to 15 meters distance, and ensure the surroundings are clear. Take your time, practice regularly, and most importantly, enjoy the experience. Happy flying.